If you're over 60 and tired of overpaying for cars packed with features you'll never use, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down 6 dirt cheap, reliable American-made cars from 2015 to 2020 that are perfect for seniors. Easy to drive, easy to fix, and easy on your wallet. Stick around, because number 1 on this list is so affordable, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. Let's start the countdown at number 6. Number 6 is the 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT. This little sedan flies under the radar, but for seniors, it checks every single box. First, let's talk price. A clean, low-mileage 2016 Cruze LT can be found for under $6,000 in most parts of the country. That's less than what some people spend on a used golf cart. Now, why does this matter for seniors specifically? The Cruze has a surprisingly tall seating position for a sedan, which means less bending and straining to get in and out. The visibility is excellent too, with large windows and slim pillars, so blind spots are minimal. That's a big deal if you've ever struggled to see a car merging next to you. Under the hood, the Cruze runs on a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine that sips fuel. We're talking up to 37 miles per gallon on the highway. If you're someone who still drives to church, the grocery store, or visits the grandkids across town, this car will save you real money every single month at the pump. But here's the part most people don't know. The 2016 Cruze comes with a standard rear-view camera and available remote start, meaning on cold mornings, you can warm up the car from inside your house before you even step outside. No more scraping ice in your pajamas. Maintenance costs are also refreshingly low. Parts are cheap, mechanics are familiar with this engine, and insurance companies rate it as one of the most affordable sedans to cover for older drivers. If you want a car that's quiet, comfortable, and won't drain your bank account, the Cruze deserves a serious look. But wait until you see number 5, because it's even more affordable, and it comes with a feature seniors specifically request. At number 5, we have the 2015 Ford Fusion SE. Now, this one is for the senior who wants a little more size, a little more cushion, and a ride that feels like floating over potholes. The Fusion SE was designed to compete with luxury sedans, and even at 10 years old, it still shows. The seats are wide, supportive, and easy on aging backs. Step inside and you'll notice the dashboard is simple, no overwhelming touchscreens or confusing menus, just clean dials and buttons that are easy to read, even without your reading glasses. Price-wise, you're looking at roughly $5,000 to $7,000 for a well-maintained 2015 Fusion SE. That's an incredible deal for a mid-size sedan that originally sold for over $23,000 brand new. Safety is where this car truly shines for older drivers. The Fusion comes equipped with available blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic alert, 2 features that genuinely reduce accident risk for drivers with limited neck mobility. If turning your head to check your blind spot has become uncomfortable, this car quite literally watches your back. Fuel economy sits around 34 miles per gallon on the highway with the standard engine, which is respectable for a car this size and this comfortable. And here's something seniors love but rarely mention out loud: the trunk space. The Fusion has one of the largest trunks in its class, perfect for golf clubs, walkers, wheelchairs, or grocery hauls without anything getting cramped or crushed. Reliability-wise, this generation of Fusion is known to comfortably cross 150,000 miles with basic maintenance, meaning this could realistically be your last car purchase for the next decade. Now, number 4 on our list is a car so popular with retirees that some dealerships call it the Snowbird Special. Stay with us. Number 4 is the 2017 Buick LaCrosse. If there's one brand practically built with seniors in mind, it's Buick, and the LaCrosse is the brand's crown jewel from this era. Let's start with comfort, because that's where this car absolutely dominates. The LaCrosse rides like a cloud. Buick engineered this generation with extra sound insulation and a tuned suspension specifically to soak up road noise and bumps, making long drives to visit family feel effortless rather than exhausting. On price, a 2017 LaCrosse typically sells for between $7,000 and $9,000 depending on mileage and trim. Yes, That's slightly more than some cars on this list. But considering this vehicle originally cost over $32,000 new, you're getting luxury-level comfort at a fraction of the original price. The interior feels genuinely upscale. Soft-touch materials, large and legible gauges, and one of the quietest cabins of any car in this price range. Buick also equipped this generation with a feature many seniors don't even know exists: a teen driver mode that doubles as a great way to monitor a caregiver or grandchild borrowing the car, letting you see speed and distance traveled. Safety features include forward collision alert and automatic emergency braking on higher trims, both of which act like a second pair of eyes on the road, especially helpful for reaction time concerns as we age. Fuel economy comes in around 29 miles per gallon highway, which is solid for a car this size and this quiet. Maintenance-wise, Buick dealerships are known for treating older customers exceptionally well, often providing shuttle service and senior discounts that many people simply forget to ask about. Now, before we reveal number 3, I need you to stick around, because the next car on this list is one that mechanics across the country specifically recommend to their own elderly parents, and the price tag will honestly shock you. Number 3 on our list is the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. This is the car mechanics genuinely recommend to their own parents, and once you hear why, you'll understand. First, the price. A 2018 Malibu LT in good condition typically runs between $8,000 and $10,000. Considering this car sold new for nearly $25,000, you're looking at less than half the original price for a vehicle that's barely broken in. What makes the Malibu stand out for seniors is its sheer simplicity combined with smart technology. The infotainment screen is intuitive, with large icons and a layout that doesn't require a manual to figure out. Chevrolet also kept physical buttons for climate control, which means no fumbling through touchscreen menus just to turn on the heat. This generation Malibu rides lower to the ground than the LaCrosse, but it makes up for that with one of the smoothest steering systems in its class, light enough for easier parking and maneuvering, which matters more than people realize as grip strength changes with age. Fuel economy is impressive too, averaging around 36 miles per gallon on the highway thanks to its efficient 4-cylinder engine. That means more miles between fill-ups and less time standing at the gas pump. Safety-wise, the LT trim offers available lane keep assist and forward collision warning, both of which act as a quiet safety net for highway driving. Reliability reports consistently show this generation Malibu reaching well past 150,000 miles with routine oil changes and basic upkeep, meaning low surprise repair bills down the road. And here's a bonus most buyers overlook: resale value. Because Malibus are common and parts are inexpensive, insurance premiums for seniors driving this car are consistently among the lowest in the mid-size sedan category. Now, get ready, because number 2 on this list is a vehicle so beloved by retirees that it's been nicknamed the easy chair on wheels. At number 2, we have the 2019 Ford Fusion SE. Yes, the Fusion makes a second appearance on this list, and for very good reason. Ford made meaningful upgrades by 2019 that elevate this car above its 2015 sibling. Pricing for a 2019 Fusion SE sits between $9,000 and $11,000, still an incredible value considering the original sticker price exceeded $24,000. The biggest upgrade seniors will notice immediately is the standard suite of driver assist technology. This model year comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360 as standard equipment on many trims, bundling automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assistance into one package. No extra cost, no confusing add-ons. The seating position is slightly improved over the 2015 model, with better lumbar support and easier entry and exit, something every senior's lower back will thank them for after a long drive. Visibility remains a strong point, with a wide windshield and well-placed mirrors that minimize the need for excessive head turning, ideal for drivers managing neck stiffness or limited mobility. Fuel efficiency stays consistent at around 34 miles per gallon highway, keeping monthly gas expenses predictable and low, which matters enormously on a fixed retirement income. The trunk remains spacious and easy to load, with a low liftover height that doesn't require lifting heavy items high off the ground, a small detail that makes a big difference for aging joints. Mechanically, this generation Fusion benefits from Ford ironing out earlier production quirks, making the 2019 model one of the most dependable used sedans available today, often crossing 180,000 miles without major issues. If safety, comfort, and peace of mind matter most to you, this car delivers all three without the price tag of something newer. But the number one car on our list beats every single vehicle here in one critical category that seniors care about more than anything else. Let's reveal it now. Topping our list at number 1 is the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu LS. This is the newest car on our countdown, and it earns the top spot because it offers the best blend of low price, modern safety, and worry-free reliability for senior drivers in 2026. Despite being the newest vehicle here, a 2020 Malibu LS can still be found for around $11,000 to $13,000, an outstanding price for a car that originally retailed near $24,000 and still feels current today. What earns this car the number 1 spot is Chevrolet Safety Assist, which comes standard on this model year. That means automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and following distance indicator are all included without paying extra, technology that was considered premium just a few years earlier. The cabin feels modern but uncluttered. Climate controls remain physical dials, the seats offer excellent lower back support, and the ride quality is composed without feeling stiff, perfect for both short errands and long road trips to visit grandchildren. Fuel economy is the best on this entire list, reaching up to 36 miles per gallon highway, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more money staying in your pocket each month. Being the newest model on this countdown also means this Malibu has the most warranty life remaining of any used option here, giving seniors extra peace of mind against unexpected repair costs. Reliability ratings for this generation remain excellent, with owners reporting minimal issues well beyond 100,000 miles. If you want one car that combines a low price, real safety technology, and Chevrolet's reputation for dependability, the 2020 Malibu LS is hard to beat, and it's the perfect note to end this countdown on. And that wraps up our 6 dirt cheap American cars for seniors in 2026. Which one would you choose for yourself or a parent? Drop it in the comments below, hit subscribe for more senior car guides, and we'll see you in the next video.